Hi, I'm Roger with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We got a great fall day today. Today we're going to be looking at a 354 Coachmen quad slide diesel pusher sports coach. Great coach, great budget price rig. Got all the amenities of the more expensive rigs and a less expensive package. Full body paint, Alcoa rims, great pass-through storage, outside TV, push button awning with speakers built into the legs of the awning. You get a great sound out of it. It's a great looking coach, easy to drive. It's only 35 feet. There's a lot of amenities to this coach. It's got the big water heater. It's got 2 furnaces, going to keep you warm and comfortable at night. We've got the Cummins 340 ISB engine in here. We've got the Allison transmission. We got a great tow package on it. It's a gorgeous looking coach. It's got the 22.5-inch tires. Great, well done plumbing base center. Clean, nice, finished. It's got all the amenities somebody can ask for in a diesel pusher. We've got our dual fuel fill, one on each side, sack shocks, our electric center, our hydraulic system. It's easy to get to. You can look at it and say, oh, I need to put fluid in, I don't need to put fluid in it. You don't have to climb into the chassis to get it. Easy access to the front mounted Onan generator, runs off diesel. So it's gonna run off your main fuel tank. It's gonna have 100 gallons of fuel in it. Great coach. Let's go inside and look at the inside of this. On the outside again, we got the side cameras, the backup camera, easy access doorway here. Nice, it's big. So inside the coach, we got a lot of amenities. We've got a great cab layout. We've got the new Freightliner chassis with the smart wheel, with the easy to shift transmission controls. You can lower the coach with a flick of a lever. Great charging points for our phones and USBs. Drop down queen size bed. It's all electric. This is a push button coach. There's not a lot of manual labor that you have to do when you're out enjoying the coach. I like the fact that our theater seating is straight across from our booth dinette that also makes into a bed. So we've got a lot of sleeping in here. We've got our fireplace here. This is going to put out about 6,000 BTUs of electric heat. There's not actually a fire in there. It's just electric. It looks like a fire, but you don't have any of that problems with it. Good sized TV here. Solid surface countertops. I love the way they did this. We've got the real big sink, okay, instead of the 2 smaller ones. Induction cooking. These are great. You set the temperature, and that's what you're going to cook at, okay? So you want to cook French fries? You want that oil 350? You program for that for 350. There it is. Boom. Done. Big convection microwave. Residential refrigerator. All the amenities of home. Nice size mid-coach bathroom. You got a his and her sink, or in my house it'd be her sinks. I get to use the one outside. My wife is so mean. They're gonna edit that out, so I'm not worried about it. King size bed back here. A walk around all the way around. Closet for days back here. And then more closet here. It's a nice, clean, simple coach. Easy to use, easy to get out and have fun with. I'm Roger Woodruff with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, where we got these sports coaches. If you have any more questions about this, because this is just a quick overview, you let me know. Have a great day. Thank you.